So, babe, what are the signs your wife doesn't love you?
Sign that your wife doesn't love you.
Someone is asking this question.
Well, she's like, some people.
Maybe we should define love. What does love? What does that mean? If you love, the fact that you love me, what does that mean? Exactly to you.
I hate to put it this way, but when you're happy, it brings a smile to my face. Oh. When you're not stressed out.
And we know this because 2 nights ago,
you were stressed out.
I was stressed out, and
when you're stressed out, it stresses me out. That energy just transforms. It just transferred to me, shiny.
You didn't know what to do with me. You just got stressed too.
I was like, oh my God. It's a lot. When a man is stressed out, it's not like when a woman is stressed out, it looks like a chihuahua is stressed out.
It's like it's a normal day.
Yeah. It's like you expect a woman to be stressed out. Oh, she's always stressing about something. But when a man is stressed out, it's like when they say that you're a mountain and a mountain does not move. Right. And that mountain is moving. It feels like an earthquake.
Yeah, some people say a mountain, some people say rock.
A rock. Yeah, it shakes everywhere up. Yeah. Everyone, palala, all the kids are running off. The wife is like, what's going on? Are we okay? It feels like an earthquake.
Right.
That's what it feels like when a man is, at least that's for the masculine men, because now we have feminine men.
Jesus
so I have
Christ.
to say that. I'm sorry, bullets. Some men straight up all the time, they're just moody and all kind of nonsense. Right. And I can't relate to that. I'm just saying, for the masculine men, okay?
So, obviously, a sign will be, if you don't love me, I can be all moody, I can go and hug transform.
Exactly.
You can go and hug transform.
I'm about my business. I'm like, I'm going out to have a good time. Right. You want to come? You don't want to come? Oh, okay, whatever. I'm just about my own business.
Or you say, you have a headache, and she say, oh, sorry, you be all right.
But you know where the medicine is now. Why are you acting like a baby?
Jesus.
I mean, there's lack of empathy.
Jesus.
Lack of empathy. She's not interested.
Because typically, a typical woman has empathy, even with strangers.
Exactly.
How much more with her husband?
Let me get you some medicine. What's wrong with you? Oh, even we would do things like this, like I would do that. I do that with my kids. I do that to my husband. If he say he's not feeling well, you show concern. You want to make them feel better. You bring them food. You make whatever will make them comfortable. Right. If she's not doing that, clearly, maybe you're married to your enemy. Because sometimes people can be married to their enemies. If you're married to someone that all they do is clown you, I'm sorry, I'm not about that. Some people say, oh, but I'm just sarcastic like that. No, that's not fun. When all you do is when your spouse is feeling some type of way, you make fun of them, you make them feel less than, and you don't love that person, clearly.
So the scripture says, love is patient, love is kind.
Love is kind.
Love is, what else?
Love does not envy.
Love does not envy.
Love is a list though. I'll tell you more.
Yeah, I can find that real quick. Love is patient, love is patient. Not love is blind, okay? Not that type, okay?
I feel like that's what people say to justify, all kind of stuff, and it's okay.
No, I mean, they use justify their emotions. People do get emotional, and
it's
that's
okay.
what it is. Yeah.
It's okay. Love can be blind.
Yeah.
It can be blind because when you see some people together, you're like, how?
So that love is the in-love experience. Right. The love that is, you're in love, you don't hold them accountable, you can't see that they're ever wrong. That is in love experience according to the book. What's the book? 5 Love Languages, right? And then loving a person is a duty, it's a responsibility that you feel. It might still be a feeling, but you feel this sense of you want to give. Love, that love is given. That duty love is given, not give and take. Give. So love is patient and kind. Love does not envy. You're so good. You know what Bible that means. Love does not envy or boast.
Love does not boast.
It is not arrogant.
You don't be doing competition with your spouse and be doing it's not right.
It is not arrogant or rude. I talk to people all the time. The two forces that destroy marriages is unrealistic expectations and pride. Right? Yes, I made that up. Deal with it. Yes. So arrogance. Right, that shows up like pride. Pride, having a sense of pride in who you are and stuff. That's another type of pride, right?
Yeah, it's a healthy.
Right, but pride where you just can't. You can't lower yourself
You think you're
beyond
better than everybody else.
whatever you are feeling right now
Right.
to give to this person.
Right.
Obviously, that kills giving. So
It does.
so it's not arrogant or rude. It's not rude. So if somebody's just outrightly rude, right? What's opposite of rude? Polite. That's like kind.
Kind.
Yeah. Not insist on his own way, my way or the highway.
Self-centered.
It is not irritable or resentful. So now it depends on what you're interpreting as resentful, because also these things are subjected to our interpretations, right? It does not rejoice at wrongdoing. Alone.
Like that. How do you say that to your own spouse? Like, a lot more. Like, that's just too much.
If your wife is saying that to you, she doesn't love you.
Oh my God.
Yeah, she doesn't love you. So let's look at this. What are the signs? These are good signs right here. If she's not patient with you, meaning she's quick to call you out.
Throw you under the bus.
Yeah. Like only random. But anyway, like there's a lot of toxic stuff out there. If she's not patient with you, as far as your feeling is concerned, that you feel like she's just ready to rain abuses on you for every mistake you do, or she's ready to, like, you put this book and she's just irritable, like they said earlier.
Disrespecting in front of people, your children. She belittles you. Like, those are huge
I know it seems like you might know the scripture already, but sometimes we need reminders. So here are the signs. Not patient. 1, she's not kind. Number 2, she's envying you. She can't love you, she's envying you. Maybe she's lost herself. She felt like she should be in her own career too and all that kind of stuff. If she's soaked up in that feelings right there and she's envying you, or...
But I feel like some people are naturally competitive. Like they feel that.
That's different.
I don't think they do it on purpose. I feel like in their friendships, in their relationship, they have to compete. They don't know how to be.
That's different. So somebody said the difference between envy and jealousy, right? Jealousy doesn't want you to have it. They want to have it. Envy is they don't mind you having it, but they want to have it too.
I don't like it either. I just don't. I don't.
No, but you want things that other people have, but you don't mind them having it. But you admire what they have.
I admire what they have, but I don't envy them because I don't.
No. It's the word now. The envy word means you admire what they have, but you don't have a problem with the fact that they have it. That same thing.
Okay.
Like you have a husband, right? You don't have a husband.
I envy you. Like, I like what you have, but I don't want to take it away from you.
I'm not taking yours away. I just want mine.
Okay, well, that's... I do get confused with envy and jealousy at times because it's like the green eye monster.
The way you responded to that.
The way you see, when women, especially, forgive me ladies, but when ladies envy each other or...
So it's jealousy.
I feel like... Yeah, so it's really jealousy and not envy. You get like confused, like,
because
does this person want good things from me? I mean, they just hate my ass. Like,
if they are hating on you,
like you just confused.
If they're saying things that will kill your spirit,
right,
that will make you feel less than, and it's obvious that they want what you have. That's jealousy, because it's the same thing as taking what you have away from you.
Yeah.
They want to kill that feeling for you. They want to pull you down from there.
Yeah.
But if they're looking up to you and say, "Oh, I envy you. Such a beautiful, God will do mine," kind of attitude.
Yeah, I don't do well with
But you ladies still don't enjoy that.
I don't like the envy, I don't like the jealousy. It just scares me.
So it's threatening. I noticed that it's threatening to a lot of women.
I don't
even
know
if it's a pure envy.
I don't know, I'm confused.
Is there such a thing as pure envy? Even me, I don't sound right.
I'm like, I'm running.
So ladies, here's a lesson for you, okay? Be careful when you say you envy. Even though the dictionary meaning of it is not negative, but
it still comes off like
it might feel like jealousy on the side of the person that you're saying it to,
right?
And you may not realize you're offending them quickly. If they're a woman, men, we don't like it. You can't be jealous me, we will be fine.
People say you can say something like, I want to be like, I have some aunties that, man, they look good, they look snack. I mean, like Auntie B, for example. Auntie B, I want to be like you when I grow up. it's kind of positive.
Right.
Okay.
You define that person. Like,
yes.
right.
But I envy which part? Because I'm about to run. I just don't do well.
Oh, baby.
I don't do well with the envy one. I don't do well with jealousy words.
Oh, baby.
And to be honest, I've been around it. I don't like it. It's not fun. I run away from it. Period. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, baby. Oh,
That's
Lord.
all I'm saying.
Oh, baby. Jesus Christ. Anyway.